Hi guys, my name is Jessie. Welcome back to my channel. Here on YouTube, I share a whole lot of different aspects of my life, so if you'd like to follow along with that journey, please subscribe. Today's video is a clothing haul with a whole lot of new things that I've ordered from SHEIN. SHEIN is an online store that stocks a huge variety of things from clothes, homeware, pet products, and so much more. And they are very affordable, which is great if you are like me and are completely sick of all of your old clothes. I've recently done a huge spring clean of my wardrobe and I'm looking to replace all the old things that really aren't my style anymore. A store like this is a great place to go to find some new pieces, to see which things suit you, which things don't, what you like and what you don't like. Let's jump right in and open up this bad boy because I have forgotten half the things that I ordered. Let's try not to cut the clothes. So I haven't ordered from these guys for a really long time. It looks like they have updated their packaging. Yeah. So they're packaged in these, which say they're recyclable, which is good. And they have this kind of zip on them, which is cool. They're actually quite thick, which I wasn't expecting. All right, first thing is a jumpsuit. Oh yeah, okay. This is corduroy, which I was not aware of when I ordered, I don't think. It's got nice buckles. I hate things that are gold, because I'm so pale and they don't suit me. So I like that these aren't silver. So I will be trying all of these things on and then putting in some clips so that you guys can see what they look like. But it feels nice. The zip is decent quality. It's just one of those hidden invisible zips. It's got pockets. It does have a weird smell, but it's really cheap, so that's not surprising. I'll look up my order to see how much everything costs. So this one was $22.88. So this is the overalls. I actually quite like them, but it's really hard for you to see because it's black. They're a bit tight around my bum and my thighs. There's pockets on here. Makes my bum look nice. Also accentuates the quarantine belly, but that's fine. I think it's quite cute. I like it. Also, I think Annie approves because of all the clothes that I'd laid out on the bed. She chose to sit on this one and I had to force her off, as you will see if you stick around for the bloopers. Okay, the next one is a pair of shorts. I've been trying to find a pair of actually high-waisted shorts for so long. So we will see. These don't look too bad. They feel like real denim. Ooh, I like that. I like this detail. They have like a little stitch. Can you see that? At the bottom, which will stop it from the fold from rolling, which happens if you wear shorts. You would be familiar, I guess. And they're stretchy, which is good because I have huge hips and a relatively small waist, so I can never get things that fit both things right. To these. These don't have the same smell, so maybe it was just that thing. Oh, the pockets are huge, and it's got pockets on the back. Just blue denim shorts, stretchy waist. They're supposed to be high-waisted, so we will see. And they cost $19.52. So these are the shorts. They are definitely not thanking me for having a big lunch. They look nice enough. They feel really nice quality. I like the elastic waistband, but they will definitely be post-quarantine weight gain loss shorts. Does that make sense? They're a bit snug is what I'm trying to say. I like them. I think I've just grown out of the distressed shorts kind of look. And I want ones that are a bit more high-waisted now and that don't cut off so short at my butt. These ones are nice and the pockets are real, which is hard to come by in female clothing. Even has a coin pocket. Not bad, but I'll probably like them more if I lose a touch of weight. Next, this looks like a nice color. I think it's a top. Oh yeah, they even have a little bit of paper in the middle. This is cute, just a plain, it's pretty much exactly what I'm wearing now, but different color. Plain cropped top with ribbing on it. It feels a lot thicker than I thought most of this stuff would feel, which is surprising. So hopefully they wear well, but yeah, probably a little bit shorter than what I would normally wear, but when I'm filming, you don't see anywhere past here, so that would be fine. This one was $6.76. Okay, so I hate this one. It's just way too short. I'm not about showing this amount of stomach with the quarantine belly. It is nice quality. It feels really nice. It's just, it's way too short for me, so I'm not a fan. Next one, we have, I think this is one of the first, I got a few sets, but this is just a green, big, oversized t-shirt, which is, this is thinner than the last one, but still feels nice. It doesn't feel cheap, which is good. I got everything in a size large, by the way. And then it also has matching little shorts. They look pretty big, so we will see how I go with that. I like oversized tops, so this will probably be good. And my bum will definitely fit in these, but I'll see how I go with the waist because that looks pretty massive. They feel really nice though, which is good. Oh, and that one was $19.52. This is the green matching set. It's supposed to be slightly different to the red one, but it's exactly the same. Which is good because it's comfortable and it's nice and baggy. These shorts feel a bit bigger. They're a bit looser in the front region, but they fit nice at the back. The band is the same. The other one pulls out a lot, so I think when I'm not bloated it would be a little bit loose, so, but that's fine. They're just like comfy outfits for just chilling out in. The material is really thick and feels like quite good quality on these ones, so that should be nice. Another thumbs up. Okay, next one I think is another set, maybe. Yeah, it feels literally exactly the same as the other one. Very similar. So this one is this burgundy kind of color. Feels the same, really nice. Not as thick as the pink ribbed one, but still quite thick for just cotton, I assume this is. That's another oversized top. And then shorts, I'm guessing these are gonna be just the same as the other ones, yeah. So they look like they're probably gonna be way too big for my waist, but my butt might make up for it. We will see. So this set was $21.22. Okay, so this is the red, what's it called? Matching set. It is good. It's baggy, which is what I like in the top. The pants part fits nicely. The band is fine. We just had a big lunch, so fits at the moment because I'm bloated, but when I'm not bloated, it will probably be a bit big, and it does pull out quite a lot, but it's fine. It's stretchy, it's comfy for around the house. I quite like it. All right, next one. I'm liking these bags. Okay, so it's another knitted top. This one's a bit more see-through, if you can see me. Yep. And it's high necked, and this is a bit more of a longer crop, which is what I prefer because of my tummy, but this feels nice. It feels a bit thinner than the pink one, but the pink one wasn't see-through, so that would make sense. This one was $7.61. And again, everything is a size large because of my boobs and my bum. This length crop top is much more what I am about. It meets up with the shorts a lot nicer. I think because of my chest size, you can kind of see how I think it's meant to sit like up like that. But because of my chest region, it pulls it down a bit and it creates a bit of a weird dip, sort of. And it's see-through, but it's not too bad, but probably at night in some not great lighting, you'd be able to see straight through that, I think. But it's quite nice. It feels nice, it's soft, it's comfortable, it's not itchy. I get quite itchy with things, often things that are knitted, and it's nice. I love the color as well. Okay, next one. These are black something. Oh, they're shorts. So they're biker shorts as well. I think I got these ones, yeah, because they have a phone pocket. Ooh, they look, yeah, they will not be squat proof. But they might be okay for lounging around. The waist again is really big, so for something that's meant to be high-waisted, we will see, because they're quite, they're quite square. We'll see how they look with a body inside of them. These were $11.01. These ones feel a lot cheaper than everything else has so far. They feel a lot thinner, and the stitching isn't quite as good either. Like, some parts where it's a bit like, there you go, frayed. Yeah, these ones aren't quite as seamless and as well made as everything else has been so far, but for the price, you really can't be disappointed and you can't expect much more than that. But it's kind of one of those places where there's good stuff and bad stuff. It's just kind of hit and miss. So next are these shorts. They are fine. They're comfortable. They fit okay. The waistband is really quite loose. Like, it's elastic, so it sits against me, but it's loose, and when I am my normal non-bloated self, they would probably be even looser. The main thing I bought these ones for was the phone pocket, which, hang on, I'll get my phone. It fits the phone fine. They're really hard to show black. It's got one on each side. So it's a nice waist height and like knee height, but they're definitely not squat proof though, so probably wouldn't wear them outside. But yeah, glad they were cheap. So I don't know about, I'm not sure. They feel okay, but like I said when I was opening these ones, like they're not as well made as everything else. But see? Yeah. So speaking of well made, my partner makes these beds. If you want to commission one, follow our Aussie collection on Instagram. Okay, and this is the last one. This is another set that would definitely just be for around the house. This one's a completely different texture. It's more of like a waffle print. It's knitted again, pretty see-through. This is the top. It's just a little singlet, not bad, cute. And then this one has long pants. Ooh. To go with it. This would definitely just be a lounging around the house kind of thing, but they feel really soft, so it would be really comfy, I would imagine. I definitely couldn't go anywhere in these because you can completely see through them, so they would not be suitable for public outings. But they feel really soft, so they would be really, I imagine they're going to be quite comfortable. So the singlet and the pant was $11.86. Alright, so this is the other matching set. I actually like it more than I thought I would. I didn't think I would be comfortable with this, and there not being a top that covers this, because normally I wear everything low to cover my hip dips. But it's actually really comfortable, like ridiculously comfy. And at the back, obviously you can definitely see my underwear, so this is not a leave the house option, but I like that there's not that much space between the top and the pants, because my quarantine belly is not ready for crop tops. But yeah, this one feels really nice, really comfy for just hanging around at home. Even just wearing the pants on their own would be fine. Okay, and that is my bag empty. You guys will have seen how all of that stuff looked and my thoughts on everything. So in total, I spent $128.75. So $6.95 for shipping to Australia. And then you pay a $1.42 shipping guarantee. But I used a discount code that was just applied to my account, which got me $21.22 off. So there you go. And I was actually surprised with how quickly this came. I wasn't expecting anything until just before Christmas, and it came really quickly, so that's good. Overall, I'm fairly impressed with the quality. As I said before, it's hit and miss with these kind of places. You kind of just have to go by the reviews and measure yourself. As I said, everything I ordered was a size large. I'm generally a size 12 in Australian sizing, sometimes 10, sometimes 14. We all know how sizing works. A few of the things were a bit more see-through than I would like, but most of the stuff is just for at home anyway, so I'm just going to be comfortable hanging around me and my pets and my boyfriend, so it doesn't really matter. So for that price, I got 8 items, and 3 of those were sets. So that's not too bad. In fact, a bit of quick math, 128 divided by 8 is like around $16 each, which isn't too bad considering the price of things in Australia. So SHEIN is a pretty convenient kind of website. They have an app as well, which works pretty well. The more you review things and log into the app and that kind of stuff, they give you lots of coupon codes. So you always have a lot of ways to save money on there, which is great if you are doing something like me, where you're wanting to try out a whole lot of new stuff just to see what you like and don't like. So there you go, that's everything I got in this order. I do have another one on the way, which I will update you guys about on my Instagram. So follow me over there for all kinds of different updates. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed today's video, and leave a comment and let me know what you thought down below, or what you thought if you've ordered from SHEIN before. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys. Really? I need to try that on.
All big stretches.
My filming buddy. Annie, get off the new clothes. No. No. Hop off the new clothes, baby. Good girl. It fits my phone fine. It's Annie. Oh, try not to show my bra to the world.